Task 3 was to turn an LED on using Wi-Fi hardware and two Arduinos. One Arduino would be the transmitter, one Arduino would be the receiver, and they would both have Wi-Fi's on them. They'd speak to a mid-initiator point, which would be the router, to exchange information, and the end goal was to send a bit from one Arduino to the other to turn on an LED. I decided to approach this a different way, and by using RMI I could abstract away from the lower level details. The program that I made is run on the command line through a client-server architecture. If we take a look at the code, I've got a few basic classes. I've got a client class that provides the IPv4 address of the machine having the Java program to be run with the methods. It also creates a stream of characters which it reads from. It gets characters from the stream between the two computers, the link that's connected, and it parses the response away and checks what the bit is and runs a method depending on that. So in this picture you can see the architecture between them. The client sends requests to the server, and the server responds to the requests through the methods that it runs through RMI. The server then gets told that it needs to send a byte to the Arduino using the RXTX library, and the Arduino just listens for serial communications. So I can demonstrate this program that I've written, saying Java server, set the server up, and if you look at the bottom right of the screen you can see I've already set up a little video link. So if I type Java client 1, it will send a 1 to the Arduino, and the Arduino has some code on it which will turn the green light on whatever pin that is. So if I hit enter now, it sent a bit to the Arduino which turned on the LED. Using RMI I'm able to abstract away from all these lower level details and focus more on the implementation rather than the foundation of all this networking. RMI is really cool because even I could run this from university and it would still turn on at home just by using the RMI. It just abstracts away from all of the unnecessary details that you don't need to implement.